We have the Bank of England interest rate decision, and short-term interest rate markets are expecting the current rate to increase from 3.5% up to 4%, with an 86% chance seen of a 50 basis point rate hike coming from today's meeting. Now, what's very interesting about this meeting is the way the event has impacted from a historical perspective. If you look at this from the last 23 years, each time the Bank of England has hiked interest rates, we see the following reaction in the pound US dollar pair. Just prior to the event and through the event, the pound has lost value when the Bank of England has hiked interest rates. Now that makes sense because it's a clear sell the fact response. But what's most interesting is just look, a couple of days after the event, you can see that the pound sort of picks up again in the sort of 7 days following from a seasonal perspective. So yes, there is a sell the fact response before strength continues back into the pound US dollar pair. So that's just a seasonal bias that's worth being aware of. Could this provide a strategy for today's Bank of England meeting? Major trade risk. The major trade risk here, of course, is that the seasonal bias around events doesn't play out again this year. Remember, don't just trade it, but season exit.